So this is the Weaver 303 sewing machine, industrial sewing machine. And I've been getting into leather making now for a little bit. And I figured I'd expand my horizons with stitching. I ain't got time to hand stitch. This would speed up my progress immediately. So I ordered it on a Saturday night and it was delivered to my door by Wednesday of the same week. Quick shipping. So this is not a tutorial on how to assemble it. There are plenty of videos out there, and Weaver does an excellent job with their video production showing how this table and the sewing machine is assembled. So I'm just going to give you an overview of me putting together my machine, and maybe I'll give some final thoughts. Right now, the machine is a kit, comes as a kit, so you can get the table, the machine itself, and some other accessories, and also the thread tree that comes along with it as well. Everything you need to get started. Okay, so it's been about 3 weeks since I unboxed this bad boy. Again, it's from Weaver. It's the Weaver 303 sewing machine, light to medium duty. And as you can see, this is actually 3 weeks later, but even my first attempt, perfect stitches right out of the box. They do recommend you review some of the adjustments and tensions, which I did, and I really didn't have to make much of an adjustment to it. So pretty much where you set this machine up is where you want its final location to be, because it is somewhat heavy. And I would have to say, again, from someone who does not have any experience with sewing, this is a great learning machine because it works. It just works. It'll give you step-by-step instructions in the documentation. But yeah, again, this is not a how-to per se video. It's just my experience purchasing the Weaver 303 and setting it up in my clean shop, if you will. It's not very clean right now, but it's supposed to be my clean shop, free of sawdust. See you next time.